YouTubians and fellow hobbyists, welcome to another Saturday morning show. I'm your host Gary G and we continue with the Opel GT today, and we want to talk about this new build. But first, as always, the riddle. How much horsepower had the 1.9 liter engine of the GT? 82, 92, or 102? The answer is always the end of the show. Last week we took care on the side at the front of the car. Well, this week our main focus gonna be on the back of the car. See for yourself down in the garage. Yeah, this week in the garage we take care on the rear end of the car. We rescribed the panel lines and we had to make one brand new one because it was not there, and continued with the side skirts. And I really like those rims in this wide body. Last step for this week's gonna be the rear end. We need some tail lights, of course, as well. As always, we first cut it out of cardboard and look if that really fits, and if we're happy the way it is, then it will be transferred on styrene. So we glued on that and have a little, because we thought it's a little bit empty over here, so we had a little hex spoiler as well. But that's all for now. Now back to the studio. This build actually started out by me ordering the wrong rims. They looked fantastic on the page, they were 14 inches, but when they actually arrived in the shop here, well, they were just too small. So all the kits that I have in my storage were like 124 or 125, so they just looked too little. So I went out and bought 1/32 kit, this Opel GT, and they looked fantastic on that kit. The only thing that I had to do is widen the body, and that's actually how that whole build started out. But now to the riddle. The GT was the sports car for the little money. He was not heavy and he had enough horsepower for its weight. But how much horsepower had the 1.9 liter motor? See the riddle?
Episode 71, Opel GT, the conclusion, take 2.
Alright, at the end of this show, I want to say thank you to all of you great builders out there which joined the Frankenstein group build. There were really awesome builds out there. I really enjoyed to watching your videos. I hope we can do that next year again. It was really awesome. So, but that's all for now. Don't forget to tune in next Saturday at Car Dreams in Styrene. Don't forget, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep the hobby
Alive!
alive. See you next Saturday, folks.
Bye, y'all!
Bye, y'all.
I scared myself. Episode 71.
Last week we built the side and the front of the car. Now this week we want to take care on the rear of her.
You want to take care of her rear?
Nope. Let's do another one.